Hey, Nick and Sue. So I'm here at the house, and I'm going to start on the ground floor and work my way up. I'm out on the back porch, as you can see, down here at the bottom level. So those chairs are here. The little storage Rubbermaid thing is there. Chairs over here. The outside chairs. Everything seems to be here. Going into the guest bedroom downstairs. Bed. Candles and artwork are all there. There's a chest of drawers. Back here in the bathroom. Everything seems to be okay. Downstairs, great room. Back here in the laundry room. Washer dryer's there. This is that little storage place over here in the back. They left a little small refrigerator. TV down here on the ground level is here. And let's go up. All right, kitchen. This island pieces here. All the appliances were left behind. Fridge. Even left utensils. Dishes are still in the cabinets. Dining table. Okay. And we'll go back here to the bedroom. Here's all the little things that were in the hallway here. Okay. And let's go up. Actually, let's go out here on the porch first. There's your view. Wicker chairs are here. Lanterns. This little sitting area here is all intact. Barbecue grill is there. These chairs on the side deck are all intact. All right, let's go up. And that's it, guys. Everything looks pretty good. Looks like when we last saw it. In fact, I can't tell what she took. Looks like virtually everything's here. Okay, that's it.